Oh my gosh, good morning. I've only just turned out of Gus's Road and immediately I'm climbing. So that was great to have a rest day in A Coruña with Gus. I'm so lucky because it feels like quite a big place to have tried to have got to know by foot, and I would have been annoyed having to cycle around it. I wouldn't have felt like having a rest day. So driving around in the car with a local guide was perfect. Many thanks, Gus. What? Okay, I guess I go back around. Back uphill into a headwind. Never been easy. Okay, the view is better on this side. I've got my navigation set to include unsealed tracks today because I'm aiming at a rail trail, and so I've got to deal with this for the time being. No, okay, back we go. There's tracks here at least, that's promising. Hey! That looks better. Where is the top? Lovely rail trail. Well, this is lovely. You cannot beat a rail trail, except that they don't tend to have a lot of shops or services on them. So I'm going to have to swing a little bit to the east, to the town of Sigüeiro, to try and find some Wi-Fi and also see about getting some Camino stamps, because I'm on the I think, Camino Ingles here, but I haven't got my stamps yet today. So if I want to get my certificate when I reach Santiago de Compostela, then I need to do that. This seems to be a suitably sheltered and so convenient place for me to thank Philip for buying me coffee on the Buy Me a Coffee app. Thank you very much, Philip. I'm sorry it was so long ago and I'm only just thanking you publicly now. Thank you so much indeed. I appreciate it very much. Thank you. found the Camino. ¿Tenéis sello, por favor?
Sí, sí, claro.
Muchísimas gracias.
Vale.
Right, that's all sorted. The nice albergue lady stamped my credential and let me use the Wi-Fi even though I wasn't staying there. The Betanzos guy the other day wouldn't let me use his Wi-Fi. Got my dinner, got water, got internet, ready to camp. Hello, baby goats. Oh, these are the Galician grain storage, which is different from the Asturian ones. These ones in Galicia have been long and thin, and yes, I've chosen one with Palestine flags on to highlight, but it's different from the Asturian design. This is the stretch of Camino, quite remote, but I'm hoping to find a nice campsite. Bit of gardening to remove the brambles from my patch. I was checking the clock to make sure I wasn't running out of time, but I forgot the clocks went forwards and the sun is still all the way up there. So I've got a little bit of bonus time in my campsite. The sun is still well and truly up. It's 8 p.m. It's not going to set for another hour yet. The Spaniards definitely enjoy their sunny summer evenings. So cheers to that. Cheers to being on the West Coast. Cheers to excellent and affordable Spanish wine. And cheers to being in Santiago tomorrow for Easter, all being well. Cheers.